So with the basic probability, you know, you just put however many they're talking about over the total. So apple or peach is going to be 7 out of 11, which is 0.64. If two things happen, you multiply them together. So for the first one, you pick a coin and you place it on the counter. So this is dependent because you didn't put it back. So you changed what's left in there. So the probability of getting 2 nickels is going to be 6 out of 11, but then you take one away. So the second time, it's going to be 5 out of 10. Ow. And if you multiply that, it's about 0.27%, or 0.27 or 27%, sorry. And then marbles, if you take a marble, you put it back in the bag. So this one is independent because you put it back, you didn't change anything. So the probability of getting red is 8 out of 15. And the probability of getting blue is 7 out of 15. So 0.25. Cool. For Venn diagrams, the total is going to be like literally all the numbers because everything should be over the total. On the test, it's the answers are all decimals for these ones. For some of the earlier ones, like up here, the answers are fractions, like on the multiple choice. But if it is a fraction, just know that it's reduced. So just so you know. But anyway, the probability of Spanish is going to be everything in the Spanish class. So 51 out of 105, or 0.49. If it's and, that means where they overlap, because and means that both of them have to be true at the same time. So 21 out of 105. And then or is either or, right? So it could be everything except for this 35 and this 4. It just has to be in one of those circles. Which, if you add those up, you get 66. 1.62. And then not English is just anything outside that circle. So 16. Or 0.15. Cool. Okay, and then last thing, two-way tables. If it's just one thing, you just put the total over the total. And then if it's or, remember you want to do all the sodas and hot dogs, but subtract where they overlap. So 308 over 400, 0.77. And if it's and, it is literally just where they overlap. So sodas and pizzas, 120 over 400, which is 0.3. So that's